superb babies, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be sharing 5 budget friendly shampoos. And the best part is, as the title says, it's within 200 Indian rupees. Isn't that super good? Like, it's a super yes. So yes, don't forget to hit a like for this super video because it's within 200 Indian rupees. So now I have all the shampoos with me right here. So without wasting any more time, let's begin, and all the prices will be mentioned somewhere on the screen. So yes, let's begin. I'm going to be starting from my favorite brand, that is TRESemmé. I've been using TRESemmé since it's been like in India. I love the brand. I like all the shampoos and I like the conditioners. I really like this brand because I find it super useful for the hair. The first one is TRESemmé Keratin Smooth for straighter and smoother hair. Now TRESemmé has a variety of shampoos for split ends, for dry and damaged hair, for smooth and shiny. I'm not too sure, but it has a lot of variety. But I like this one. I have used almost all the shampoos from TRESemmé and the conditioners. Recently I like this one because I have rebonded my hair and I thought this is going to be apt for my rebonded hair, so I purchased it and I really like it. It gives a nice finish to my hair. So yeah. Next is from Dove. This is the Hair Therapy Daily Shine Shampoo with nutritive serum. Protects normal hair from daily wear and tear. I really like this too. It gives a nice finish to the hair and it gives like this voluminous finish. My hair feels very thick and very voluminous, and it does not dry it out or something like that. It feels very nice on the hair, which I really like. The next shampoo is from Sunsilk, which I again really like, and I've been using this brand from years. So this is a Sunsilk Stunning Black Shine Shampoo. Amla Pearl Complex nourishes your hair to give a healthy glow. Now whenever I color my hair black, I don't know why I go for this shampoo and I really feel a difference. Like the hair looks more shiny, more thicker, more voluminous. It gives a very nice healthy feel to the hair, which I really like. So that's why whenever I color my hair dark, I like to go for this. Now in all the brands which I'm showing you, there are a lot of varieties in it, like for split ends, for dry and damaged hair, and for this and for that. But I like it for smooth and shiny hair because that's what I like. I'm not having dandruff, I'm not having split ends much, I'm not having so many other issues. There are shampoos for hair fall also, which I don't require. So what I like right now is smooth and shiny hair. So when you're going for any one of them, check out the varieties they have because that will be helpful. Check out your hair issues and you will know which one you should go for. The next one is from Pantene. Again, I like this brand and I'm using this brand from years, and here it goes. This is a Silky Smooth Care Shampoo. Help prevent damage for smooth hair, which I really like. It makes the hair again very silky, very smooth. It does not dry your hair out. What I like about all these shampoos which I'm showing you babies today is that after you shampoo your hair, it does not dry out your hair. It still keeps it nice and moisturized and hydrated. So that's what I like about these shampoos. I've used so many shampoos for making this video babies, but this is what I came down with. I was like, I like these shampoos. I didn't like the other ones because somewhere or the other shampoos I used dried my hair out and it didn't give that voluminous and thick feel. But what I selected ultimately really made me feel good, and I was like, sure, I'm going to be sharing this with my babies. And the last and the final shampoo is the one which I've been using recently. Actually, I came from Ooty and in my bathroom this was lying, and I was like, okay, my brother is using it and he is raving about it. So I was like, yeah, let me also try, because Patanjali is like being talked over everywhere. So I was like, okay, let me just go ahead and find it out, what it is and how it is and whatever. Like, so I tried it out and it lathers like hell. It lathers like superbly. Okay, what am I talking about? I'm talking about this one, which is super good. This is from Patanjali, the Kesh Kanti hair cleanser with milk protein for dry and rough hair. So what I liked about this actually was when I used a little bit, it lathered so much. It cleansed my hair superbly. So little goes a long way, too much is not required, and it is so budget friendly. All these are so budget friendly. These are like the TRESemmé. You will get smaller than this also. like the quantity, and even I'm not sure about Dove and Pantene, but yes, I guess you should just check it out, saying that there are smaller quantities in most of these brands except for Patanjali, but others all have smaller quantity also. If you just want to try it, usually I do that. I've initially tried smaller quantities and then I buy the big size. All of them are super budget friendly and I feel so good to share this with you, babies. So if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit a like. If you feel I should try any other shampoo apart from these, like a budget friendly shampoo, please comment below and let me know. I'll be more than happy to know about it. If you have any other requests as to any other budget friendly products I should do, please comment below and let me know. Give me ideas. I'll be more than happy to do it for you, babies. So don't forget to check out my description box for all my social media links, and even the prices will be mentioned even in the description box. So don't forget to check the description box, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and if you did, thank you super much. And yeah, I'm so excited today. I'm excited always whenever I'm in front of the camera. Okay, and yes, see you later in another video.